I am Grace on Tour, and I love to showcase the beautiful world that we live in. In the previous video, I left Hong Kong behind and brought you along the journey to Dubai. And in this video, the journey continues to my 80th country.
Good morning, it is now a few hours later and I have got some sleep, had breakfast, and now we're going to head towards Abu Dhabi. We're using local transport, so we'll be taking the metro and buses. So yeah, let's head to Abu Dhabi. So we have made it to the metro station and I bought a single ticket for 15 AED. And yeah, it was very easy to get the tickets in the ticket booth. You could pay with card. And yeah, we are now going to jump on the red line and then change to the green line to get to the Dubai bus station. We have made it to Abu Dhabi. So, welcome to Abu Dhabi. It has been a long travel day today as well. We took the metro to the bus station and there I bought the bus ticket, which cost 25 AED to go to Abu Dhabi, which is really cheap and affordable. However, today there was a very long queue for this bus, so I was in the queue for about 2 hours until I got on the bus, and then I think the ride was about an hour and a half, and I'm actually just going to do a quick kind of turnaround because I want to head to the most famous site in Abu Dhabi, the Grand Mosque, or the big mosque, which is like the most iconic place here, and I can't visit Abu Dhabi without going there. So we have now made it to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, which you see behind me here, and as you also can see by my attire, you have to wear the full covering and also cover your hair and head, and yeah, they're also only allowed to take pictures on designated photo spots, and yeah, the entrance is free. After visiting the mosque, and just some fun fact is that this is actually one of the largest mosques in the world. It was built between 1996 and was then completed in 2007, so it took almost 10 years to build, and yeah, it was very beautiful. Now I have just bought burrito for takeaway and I'm having a picnic on the floor. Yeah, then we will get ready for heading to the airport tomorrow morning. So yeah, let's have the picnic. Good morning. So today we are going to be heading to Abu Dhabi airport because we are going to be flying to Socotra, which is an island off the southern coast of Yemen, and it also belongs to Yemen. And yeah, this place has actually been a real bucket list destination for me for a very long time, so I'm really excited that it's finally happening. And just kind of fun to notice that there's only one flight a week to this place, yeah, I will be there for 1 week and exploring the whole island, and we will be also camping throughout this whole time, so it's also bringing some kind of Africa vibes back from our camping there. And yeah, I'm really excited and I don't know what to expect at all, but I will of course bring you along for everything. But now, let's head to the airport. So we are now made it to the airport and checked in, gone through security, and yeah, I'm at the gate now. It seems like the flight will be full, which is fully understandable since there's only one flight a week. And yeah, mostly local people it looks like as well. And yeah, the flight is supposed to be about 2 hours. And we're flying with Air Arabia, which is the first time for me. So yeah, let's head to Socotra. Socotra after a 2-hour flight, and yeah, everything went well. When we arrived, it was quite chaotic at the airport, as you could see, but then we met up with a group and got in the cars to drive to our first camping spot. And yes, I will leave the name of it here, but in local language it means the two rocks, which you can see behind me here, which this place is named after. And yeah, still very surreal to be here. And as you can see from here, these are the tents where we will be sleeping in for the next week. And yeah, we are a group with people from all over the world, so that's also really nice. And yeah, we are camping here on the beach. So beautiful. And yeah, now we're going to get settled and explore, and then hopefully get an early night before exploring more tomorrow.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called a cab, made space. And she said I won't answer.
So we are now back from the swim, and unfortunately it was quite current and the rocks were very sharp, so I did kind of scar myself a bit, but it was still very nice and refreshing. And now the sun is setting, and we are going to go for a little hike up to these two rocks. And yeah, then it's dinner time, and I'll also just kind of show you a quick glimpse of the tent before I go to sleep. But yeah, this was all for the video today, marking the start of this adventure on Socotra. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video when we explore more of this beautiful island. So I'll see you then. Bye.
What the hell I'm gonna do? But honestly, I can't remember if you loved me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely. I don't know. Just let it go. But what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. But honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now.